Today we are diving into organizational tool that is perfect for the parents and the kids alike. Keeping your kids' closet organized can be really challenging, but this has comes up with a practical solution. This 2-pack of a 6-shelf weekly hanging closet organizer is designed to make your morning smoother and more efficient. Each organizer has a 6-shelf labeled with the day of the week, then plus 6-sided pockets for the extra storage. The material is a durable, lightweight fabric in the clean white color, which blends easily with the most room decor. This hanging organizer is designed to save the space. It fits perfectly in any closet and helps free up drawer space. Installation is breeze, just hanging it on any standard closet rod and it's ready to use, no tools required. The sturdy fabric ensures that the organizer can hold up to the daily wear and the tear of the storing clothes and other items. Plus, the reinforced trim adds extra durability. As you can see, the shelves are spacious enough to fit an outfit for each day and the side pockets are perfect for a smaller item. It really helps to keep everything neat and organized. So in conclusion, this Fixwal 2-pack, the 6-shelf weekly hanging closet organizer is a fantastic investment for any household with kids. It simplifies the morning routine and teaches kids organization skill and looks great in process. If you're tired of daily clothing chaos, give this organizer a try. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more reviews and tips. See you next time.